Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Kim. I show everyone how to properly trade binary options and also show you to the easiest and most profitable strategies for you. Before starting this video, I recommend you to subscribe to my closed Telegram channel where I post free signals with 90% accuracy. Link in the description, and we start our trading. So guys, let's start our trading session. We got $510 on our balance right now. The currency pairs are already picked out, and today we'll try to make from $3,000 to $4,000, and therefore we'll make a withdrawal. We'll start with $250 trades. I want to keep a small margin in case the trade ends up at loss. However, it doesn't happen often, so our first target is $1,000, and then we can make a good amount of profit. Let's pick out indicators. The first one is gonna be the Keltner channel, and the second one is MACD. We're gonna play on the 1 minute time frame. That's why we set the fast period 6 and the slow period 13. There we go. The main indicators will be the Keltner channel. Mostly we're gonna look at this one, and this MACD signals will be complementary and enhance our signal. We're gonna play from moving average. You shouldn't forget about these indicators, it's very good, and I'm okay with the histogram. And let's start our trading session and find the most promising currency pair for a good trade entry, guys. Let's analyzing, guys. So for using MACD, there is gonna be a good trend. We've got to see the trend clearly, and let's do that now. Set the daily chart. So, and basically we see good trends without flats. So, and let's analyze. So there are good direction everywhere. Here the flat takes place, and there is nothing to do. Set a minute chart. And let's look for the better one. Let's open a short position here. We focus on MACD on the first place. We see that there were the downtrend before, and I'm gonna show you guys up to what I point. I mean, it's then the price movement started going up, low volatility movement, but still it goes to the upside. I think this small correction takes place, and the price started going down from the resistance level according to the Keltner. And on the MACD indicators, the bars of histogram painted red. The crossing from the above has happened, and it tells us the price moving is going down. That's why we opened the short position, guys. And as you can see, the price is moving downwards exactly as I told you guys. And the position is in a profit, guys, more than 200 plus, and we got 723 bucks on our balance. Let's put down $350 at the trade amount and find the next currency pair, guys, for the most promising trade entry. So let's take a look. Here we open a long position. We've already detected the entry point. Crossing of the moving average did happen. that indicates the growth. We see that the MACD is gonna to go the upside. Also update of the bottom point did happen. And we see the breaking down from the inner channel to the outside, and we are likely to see the pullback, and the price movement should enter the channel again. That's why we open the long position. Now we see candles, low volatility. This candle is also gonna be green, and the position should be closed in profit, guys. Let's watch. There are 10 seconds left before the closing. And position has been closed with a profit, guys. We got 1000 on our balance, and let's refresh the page. Refresh the page. The page was refreshed, and let's open 1000 trades and find the better currency pair. Of course, I'd rather focus more on the MACD. But there is really weird movement takes place. That's why the candle channel is more helpful in this particular situation. So here we see the ascending price direction, but I guess we better open a short position here, because we see the histogram painted red on the MACD indicators, and I think the price should go lower because the resistance zone played out here. Early on there was an uptrend, and this likely to be a correction in the zone, and I think the price should go to the downside because the crossing from above has happened in the zone. Look, here we could opening a long after the crossing, see, and the price started going up. Here is crossing, is going from the top down. That's why we open a long position, guys. There are literally 10 seconds left before the climax, and I think the trade is gonna be in profit. Very confident price movement. Finally we played out perfectly from the MACD, and we in profit, guys. We got almost 2000 on our balance. There is no stopping here. There are 2000 more to go. I think we need 2 or 3 trades in order to achieve our goal. And let's find a good trade entry. Well, let's open a long position here, guys. I think in this case the chart has some direction. Early on where a flat and the MACD is gonna show us anything good. We see nothing but crossing, but the candle channel is helping us out here. We see the breakouts and the descent pullback, good correction touching the channels upper border. And I guess further we are likely to see the price going up. That's why we open the long position, and there are literally 20 seconds left. And I think the breakout should happen on the last second, and the position will end up in profit, guys. So let's just watch, guys. Position has been closed with a profit, guys. We got almost 3000 on our balance, and I think we open a final position and make a good profit, guys. And choose a currency pair. So let's see, we need to open a final trade, guys. So here we see the crossing of the maximum points. So here is the flat. I'm in 2 finds. If we should open here, theoretically, okay, let's hold off and check other currency pairs. I think here we should open a long position. I will explain the principle of trade entry. The crossing of the MACD from above took place here, and also the moving average, the histogram is facing upwards. Updating of the maximum points has happened. The support zone played out here. Also we see the correction from this zone into the outside channel movement according to the Keltner. And according to all this, the price should go to the upside, and we opened too long position here. I think we should expect the breakout on the last second, and our position will end up in profit, guys. There are literally 10 seconds left. Let's just watch, guys. And the first position has been closed at loss, and the second on in profits. So like I said, the first position is at loss and the second one is profit. I have watched the situation on the market, and I don't want to open it right now. The risk is flat. Let's change the currency pair and find the better trade entry. Here we see the strong movement to the downside, and let's hold off opening here. Okay. So let's take a look at here. We open two short position, guys. I will explain the principle of trade entry. Here we see the histogram painted red, and see the reversal of the MACD. In this case, we look more at the Keltner. Here is a breakdown, it happened. We see some kind of flat, but the price movement is more downwards as we see before. Then we see the pullback up to inner channel. Part of the indicators, this zone has played out, and the price should go to the downside, guys, exactly as it goes. It looks like the trend gets downward direction, and our position should be closed with a profit, guys. Yes, our position have been closed in profit, guys. We got almost $4,400 on our balance. That's the outcome we got today. With the help of these indicators, if you're interested, then try them yourself. And let's move to withdrawal. Write down 4,000 Bitcoin address, press the continue button. That's it. Our withdrawal is processing. There are almost $400 left on our balance, and of course I will attach the screens when it's done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget subscribe, like, and to go my closed Telegram channel. We will trade and earn together.